I always had an interest in woodwork. I enjoyed it at school, and a lot of my friends were finishing school and their plan was to go to uni, and that just wasn't really for me, so I thought I'd rather do something hands-on, and that's what led me to carpentry, you know. I was lucky enough when I first arrived in Australia to get a job with a company that did travel around a little bit, but we didn't get to see that much of the area we were travelling to because we were working most of the time when we were there. I'm now the owner of an established business of my own. It's taken 10 years to build a good team. I think if you grow too quickly, you lose that quality of work, which I have seen happen in the industry. We're quite selective on the guys that we take on. They've got to have a good work ethic, highly skilled, and be a good person, basically. We build cool things. The main focus is the quality of the work. We'd do anything from timber framing, and then we'd do all the way through to the high-end fit out as well. Cladding, heritage restorations, renovations, we can do it. The jobs can be challenging at times, but we've got guys that can do a bit of everything, really. So when everyone comes together, there's always one person that has a solution to something that the others will learn off. I'm Mark, I'm a carpenter. What's your Sportz?